Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. First of all, thank you so much for the support on my previous tutorial. In my last editing video, I told you that if we reached 500 likes, I would make a tutorial on my main CC, and you guys actually did it. So, as promised, today's video is all about my main color correction. This is the same CC that I use in most of my motivational edits. I'll show you every layer, every effect, and every setting. If you're a beginner, don't worry, just follow each step carefully, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to create the same CC. If this tutorial helps you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Now, let's get started. First, add a rectangle layer, place it above your video clip. Now stretch it so it covers the entire screen. Go to Effects, add Copy Background. Next, add Inner Blur. Open the settings, set the strength to 0.200, set iteration to 3. Now add exposure, change the value to -1.00. Finally, open blending, go to difference, select subtract, duplicate this layer, open blending, reduce the opacity from 100% to 50%. Now open exposure. Change it from -1.00 to -1.50. That's it for this layer. Next, add another rectangle layer. Fill the entire screen. Change the color to white. Now open blending. Go to contrast. Choose overlay, then change the opacity to 70%. Duplicate that layer. This time only change one thing. Increase the opacity from 70% to 85%. Add another rectangle layer. Fill the screen. Go to Effects. Add Copy Background. Then add Gaussian Blur. After that, add Exposure. Set the exposure to -80%. Now open Blending. Go to Difference. Choose Subtract. Reduce the opacity to 15%. Next, add another layer. Apply Copy Background. Now add Sharpen. Open the settings, set the strength to 0.40, add another layer, apply Copy Background. Now add Exposure, set it to 0.20. Next, add Hue Shift, set it to 354.5. Finally, increase the saturation to 10%. Now add another layer, apply Copy Background, add Threshold, open the settings. Set threshold to 0.70. Set feather to 0.40. Now go to blending, choose multiply. Next, add spectral map. Open the settings. Set saturation to 1.000. Set color 1 to white. Set color 2 to black. Set color 3 to black. For scale, choose brightness. Now add Gaussian blur. Set it to 0.500. Finally, open blending, go to lighten, choose screen. Duplicate this layer. Only change the Gaussian blur value. Change it from 0.500 to 0.200. Everything else stays the same. Now add another layer, apply Copy Background. Add threshold, open the settings. Set blending to screen. Set feather to 1.00. Now add stretch segment. Set stretch to 900. So next add wipe, set start to 18%. Set end to 80%. Set feather to 30%. Now add inner blur, set the strength to 0.115. Open blending. Go to lighten. Choose lighten. Reduce the opacity to 20%. Finally, open move and transform. Set the X position to 0. Duplicate this layer. Now change the X position from 0 to 1080. That's the only change. Now add another layer. Apply Copy Background. Add Channel Remap RGB. For this effect, simply copy the same settings I'm showing on the screen. Depending on your video, the colors might look a little different. If that happens, don't worry. Just make a few small adjustments until you're happy with the result. Finally, reduce the opacity to 70%. Now I'm going to add 2 optional layers. These aren't required. They're only for people who want a slightly different look. For the first one, simply copy the same settings I'm using. For the last layer, apply copy background, then add vignette. Open the settings, set size to 75.9%. Set feather to 1.000. Set strength to 0.940. Finally, reduce the opacity to 20%. If you like the final result, you can keep these 2 layers. If not, you can simply skip them, and that's it. This is the complete CC that I use in most of my motivational edits. As you can see, there's a big difference between the before and after. Creating this CC took me a lot of time, and today I'm sharing it with all of you for free. If this tutorial helped you, I'd really appreciate it if you could leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends. Also, let me know in the comments what tutorial you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.